Hey guys, hey! We have another Keto Aldi haul. This time I took all of the non-keto products out and put them away already so somebody didn't get butt hurt. Sorry. Anyways, I had a complaint. Somebody seen the thumbnail. It had the kids' bread and cereal in it, and they said, don't even bother. This one posts crappy content all the time, and obviously it's just the bait and switch. So they didn't even watch the video to understand that I have children, but whatever. I'm just a little annoyed if you can't tell. Anyways, Keto Aldi haul. Here we go. Oh my god, you can't eat these, you guys. Just so you know, don't eat toilet paper and paper towels. Anyways, on with it. So, I've actually got the kids starting to drink almond milk. Unsweetened vanilla almond milk.
Chunky things in it.
It's good. Okay? It's delicious. I got 3 things of eggs. I have been eating a lot of eggs lately. Like every night, I've been eating eggs and bacon for dinner all week this week. So I bought 3 12s. I bought 3 dozen eggs. This was like 89 cents. So I've been using my sour cream to dip my... Why is this one 2 carbs? What the heck?
Ew.
Anyways,
We don't approve.
I've been using my sour cream to dip my pork rinds in. I've been using a lot of chicken stock and beef stock in my cooking or bone broth, whichever. But I was running out. They didn't have any bone broth, so I grabbed those. It's much easier if you buy block cheeses because they do not have the carbs, the added carbs that they put in when they are shredding them to keep them from sticking together. They add starches, etc. So I got some Monterey Jack. I got some mild cheddar, and I got some Kobe Jack. So I will use my shredder, and I will personally shred those when I need them and keep them in a freezer bag in the refrigerator. I got a bunch of avocados because Aldi has avocados on sale right now for 39 cents or 36 cents. I can't remember what it was. So I grabbed 8. I grabbed 8 here. I already have about 4 in the refrigerator. So I decided I was going to make some guacamole. So I got some limes for that. I got some green onions and some celery. I got 2 packs of pepperoni. I like to put cream cheese on pepperoni and then eat it plain or wrap a green onion in it. I got the pork rinds. They're 79 cents each. I got the hot and spicy, and then I got 2 of the originals. I got the strawberry, 2 of the strawberries. I can't remember how much these were, but these strawberries are gigantic and they're delicious. I also got the grass-fed ground beef. This was only $4.99 for a pound. That was a really good deal because usually it's like 6 something. I got some steamed broccoli florets. Never have enough broccoli. I really like these hard salamis. They're really good. Only 1 carb, I think, for like 6. Yeah, 6. These are really good for a good, quick keto snack. I always, when I go to Aldi, I get the beef sticks. These are less than a carb. Serving size is 1 stick, so I always get the beef and the turkey. I showed you my avocados. They had the stewed tomatoes on sale. They were normally like 60 cents. They were on sale for like 35 cents. So I got a couple cans of those. And then I got a couple cans of diced tomatoes. I plan on making some chili maybe this weekend at meal prep time. I like to cook up pepperoni and in the oven until they're crisp and then use them as chips or use pork rinds with the salsa. So I got some salsa. I got some grape tomatoes. Please don't mind that noise. That is my cat trying to open the cabinet to get some food. Dexter! No! I got some riced cauliflower, some more romaine hearts, which I still have a package that I need to cut up and prep, some mini cucumbers, some Kerrygold butter. And then I found this 24 can variety pack. With 6 coconut, 6 mango, and 12 passion fruit. So, overall, this was all of my keto finds. Like I said, I did get more. I spent $140 at Aldi, but I got plenty of other things that are not included here. Cereals and like noodles, spaghettis, peanut butters, breads, grapes, you know, all kinds of stuff. So, this is what I got at Aldi this week. My Keto Aldi haul. This will last quite some time. I will have to go back to get some meats. I do have some meat still in the freezer from the last couple of times. So some of the stuff you'll see in my meal prep later this week. And I will see you guys next time.